Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, esteemed colleagues. My name is Risnan Aldino, and I am a magister student affiliated with the graduate program in disaster science at Universitas Syah Kuala in Banda Aceh, Indonesia. Today, I'm pleased to present my research entitled Knowledge and Awareness of Police Regarding Social Disasters, a case study of potential conflict identification. In the context of Indonesia, the Babin Kamtibmas, or we can call community policing officers, play a pivotal role in mitigating social conflicts that could potentially escalate into larger crises. Despite the existence of guidelines outlined in the Chief of Police Regulation number 8 year 2013 concerning social conflict management, there remains a significant deficiency in both knowledge and practical application of these protocols among law enforcement personnel. This study aims to assess the level of awareness and understanding of Babin Kamtibmas officers in Banda Aceh concerning the identification of potential social conflicts, which is critical for effective social disaster management. This research utilized a quantitative methodology through structured surveys designed to evaluate the knowledge and awareness levels of Babin Kamtibmas officers regarding conflict identification. A total of 150 officers were approached, with 119 completing the survey instrument. Data analysis was conducted using descriptive statistics alongside chi-square and ANOVA tests to explore relationship between experience levels and knowledge categories. These findings of this study indicated no significant correlation between years of experience and the categorization of knowledge among officers. Nonetheless, ANOVA analysis revealed a statistically significant difference in average knowledge scores across various experience groups. Specifically, officers with greater years of service demonstrated higher knowledge scores related to conflict identification compared to their less experienced counterparts. These results underscore the necessity for targeted training initiatives aimed at enhancing the skills of less experienced officers in conflict identification from the outset of their careers. By advancing training programs and promoting collaboration between law enforcement and community members, as well as leveraging technology for conflict detection, we can significantly enhance the capabilities of police force in preventing social disasters. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to addressing any question you may have. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.